Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix unknown DirectX error in League of Legends. So there are a few methods to this. I'll show you each one. So first thing you want to check is go to the search bar, type in settings, open settings, go to Windows Update, and here check for updates for your graphics driver. So if the Windows doesn't update it immediately, you can go back, type in device manager in search, open device manager. Once in here, open expanded display adapters, right click on the graphics card and click update driver, and then do the search automatically for update driver. Then you can go over to the NVIDIA or AMD control panel and then update from there, and go to the drivers tab and then download the latest driver. You can click here for updates and then download it. It says July 1st, the latest driver. So the next thing you can do is head over to you can type in this DirectX end user runtime. Click the first link and click download. This will download the DirectX installer. Click apply, accept the agreement, untick the install pink bar, and click next, and it will install the DirectX. Once done, click finish. If this doesn't help, the last thing you can do is right click on League of Legends, go open file location, and once in here, go back to Riot Games, go to League of Legends, find config, and in here you can delete the game config. It says game.cfg. Once you delete this, you start your PC and then relaunch League of Legends, and it should work. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Have a good day. Bye bye.